Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to check on a classic vehicle. So before that, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin.
And here it is, the product that we ordered, that legendary Volkswagen van. So let's take it. This 1:32 scale model is an officially licensed product from Volkswagen.
You can see the logo.
This is considered one of the most iconic vehicles in the automotive history. Two opening side doors and a nice interior inside with a 3 pair of seats. And this is the most important thing, it has realistic aluminium alloys and the front and back bumpers with the tail and headlights. And this is the one and only vehicle with 8, that is 4 pair of sunroof
Ever seen?
International as VV Van Treffen, Hanover 2007. And you can see the branded official logo. And as usual, this vehicle has a pullback action feature. Oh, the suspension really works. This van is available in 3 different colors, that is this red one, yellow and a fluorescent blue. So which one do you like most? Tell me in the comment box. Subscribe to my channel for such more new awesome videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.